Here we have the Main Street grade crossing here in Pevely, Missouri. First signal, we have a USNS base. It's got a Save Trend S40 gate mechanism. Here's the dot number. It is 445879T. Gate is the newer striping with 4-inch or all-stem LEDs. We got GE dot LEDs and 24-inch USNS frames. Side lights also has GE dot LEDs and 24-inch USNS frames. Bell on top of this signal is a USNS mechanical bell. And right here, if you look, the gate arm is actually bent. Don't know how the gate got bent. Got an unknown gate saver on here. If you know what type of gate saver this is, what brand it is, let me know in the comments. Grade here is all concrete. There's a relay bungalow in the northeast quadrant. This is on the UP DeSoto sub. Track view north towards St. Louis. Track view south towards DeSoto. And then eventually Poplar Bluff. Yeah, and I'm waiting on, and we got Amtrak's Texas Eagle 21 coming this way. Wait for him to come. Okay. Wait for this car to pass and I'll cross the road. And there's no car coming, so I'm gonna cross the street. Here's the second signal. This one's a bit newer, being installed in 2016. We have a Siemens base with the imprinted logo. Gate has the newer striping with 4-inch NEG clear LEDs. We got a Siemens gate mechanism with the narrower font. NEG eval on the side. Got 3 pairs of GE dotted LEDs and 24-inch USNS frames. There's the dot number and the emergency information. So this is the Main Street grade crossing here in Pevely, Missouri. Over and out.